Hello everyone! Hope you are feeling good today.
Welcome to another video, and today we are going to show you how to prepare a typical French sandwich, le Croque-Monsieur. You know, Tikay, what is Croque-Monsieur?
Oh yes, delicious.
Tikay is crazy about Croque-Monsieur. So we are going to make some Croque-Monsieur today, and
let's start.
Yeah. So we need this toasted bread, grated cheese, butter, ham, and another kind of cheese to put inside the Croque-Monsieur, and some pepper. You take, for one sandwich, you need 2 pieces of toasted bread. And then you put butter on each toasted bread. So now that I put butter on all my bread, I put 1 slice of ham for each sandwich. And 1 slice of cheese also for each sandwich. So now I put a little bit of pepper on the cheese. The second piece of toasted bread on the first one. And then a little bit of more butter, more calories, of course, but it's so good. And the last touch is grated cheese on top. After 20 minutes, you see, it's well gratinated. It is ready. What you can do is to cut it in 2 pieces. Like this. And then arrange it on your plate. Et voilà.
So
Voilà, Tikay.
here's the finished product.
It's ready.
Delicious and bon appétit.
Le Croque-Monsieur, typical French hot sandwich. Bon appétit, mes amis.
Bon appétit.
See you next time.
See you next time.